Greetings, sponsor. Yes, we are coming to you live from the N3 between Ladysmith and Harrismith, just after Montrose towards Kwazulu Natal. We are here in the Free State. This is the situation now. We are stuck here. It's been 13 hours stuck here because there is snow. The snow is storming, and motorists here cannot move any further. We understand that just before Van the road has been closed. That is why there's this jamming traffic here. People they slept here overnight, and it seems as if it's going to continue. The situation is going to continue like this. We don't know until when. People here are running out of water, food, and some of them are saying that really they're missing out. Some of them, they're attending funerals in Kwazulu Natal, the funerals that are taking place currently now, but they cannot attend because they are stuck here. Others, they're at work, trucks they have to deliver. People going to different destinations are being affected because of this now.
It's the little things that matter, like the pretty wings on butterfly. They can't fly without them. They would die without.
Good morning. Good morning, Ladysmith. Herald viewers. So many decided that last night they're going to jump in their cars, pack a picnic monkey, and go searching for storms or snow. But then many woke up in Ladysmith or Mnambiti to find snow in their backyard. So here we are. Most parts of South Africa have closed most of their main highways as snow continues to fall throughout the day. Just a walk through the neighborhood this morning in Residency Road, there is loads of damage as the snow had fallen on the trees. Some of the trees have collapsed on roofs. You can hear behind me, the trees are still cracking from the snow. So please, if you do want to travel, I suggest stay at home, it's warmer. Spend some time with the little ones. Come guys, come say hello. Go spend some time with your little ones, your families, build some snow. These guys have their first taste of snow. Everybody wave at the camera. This is their first time that they have snow today. And you can hear that the trees are falling due to the heaviness. So stay at home. It is cold and it is snowing in Ladysmith for the first time for many. And for some even said 30 years ago. So I will give some more updates about town itself and damages as well. So enjoy your snow day, everybody.
Yeah. Kubi. Le Harrismith. Wanje I-ice. Wanje unyawo lami.